It was an unbelievable scene, like from an action flick, akin to John Wick, Desperado or The Matrix, in the streets of Kingston today, as gunmen challenge police officers along Waterloo Road. Motorists along the Hope Road were piled up in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Many thoughts of anger and disgust with the traffic soon turned to fear and fright as multiple shots echoed as gunmen traded shots with members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The JCF can confirm that 2 illegal firearms were seized and 2 gunmen were shot and killed in this daring daylight shootout along a section of the Hope Road and Trafalgar Road in St. Andrew shortly after midday today. 3 men were reportedly traveling in a white Toyota Axio motorcar that is suspected to have been involved in the shooting death of a man earlier in Swallowfield, St. Andrew. The murder of the man was reported to the Police Emergency Communication Center, which then used the Jamaica Eye technology to swiftly mobilize members of the Metropolitan Quick Response Team. The motor vehicle was intercepted at the intersection, and while the police sought to apprehend them, the suspects engaged the police team in a gunfight. Investigations into today's incidents are in the early phases, and more will be shared as this information comes to the police.